I've been seeing these little, like these TikTok snacks, but then I watched this video of people like trying pregnancy craving snacks. So I'm gonna be trying TikTok snacks and pregnancy craving snacks. And I asked a couple of people that recently had kids or did have kids, what was their cravings. So I took some of their cravings, I went and got the stuff, and we're gonna try this in that video, and we're gonna try that in this video. So, alright y'all, so I did a little cooking, and let me tell you, baby, food was delicious. Do you hear me? Don't sleep on my cooking. But okay, so I got all the stuff and we finna try it. It's just all laid out on the table. I just moved into my apartment, so don't do me. And yeah, so we finna try these snacks. Okay, so I got like a lot of weird ones. Let me go get something to drink before they're gone. So that if one of these snacks nasty and it's like stuck in my mouth, I can wash that taste away. Cause baby, I'm about scared. I'm scared. I am a picky eater. But let's get to it. Okay, got me a Gatorade. All right, so the first thing we're gonna try is, all right, so I'm a fan of pickles, so I'm gonna try everything with pickles first. I couldn't find I wanted to try the pig feet pickles or something. I wanted to try them, but I couldn't find them. But okay, so we're gonna start with the pickles, baby, the pickles. All right, pickles. I'm gonna start with the pickles. Oh, gotta get this up. Start with the pickles. I'm a fan of pickles. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna try is pickles and fruit roll-ups. I ain't tried the pickles and fruit roll-ups, so let's try pickle and fruit roll-ups. I'm gonna get a napkin. Let's try the pickles and fruit roll-ups. I wanna try these. Got strawberries and very cool. Very cool, whatever. I wanna get the very cool. What's this? That's strawberry. Alright. Got the one I want. I'm about scared. Scared. Alright. This is the fruit roll-up. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. No. And I am a fan of pickles. That's not it. But then again, no, I don't like the sour, but on to next. The next one. Alright, so I got a spoon, and then we're gonna try the pickle. I kind of want to take the pickle out of here instead of getting a whole nother pickle, because this fruit roll up and that ain't good. Kind of want to, let's just cut this one in half. Alright, so now we're gonna try pickles and ice cream. not bad. I kind of like that. I've had this craving. I can dig this one. The next snack I'm gonna try. Y'all, it's like some. The next thing I'm gonna try is. We done with pickles? Alright. Y'all, this is the one. Guess what I'm about to film these, y'all? Yes. Freaking mustard. A girl told me she had pregnancy cravings with baby donuts and mustard. Oh. I'm just gonna be real nasty. But we're gonna try it because I set myself up for this. I said I wanted to try pregnancy, kept craving snacks. And no, I'm not pregnant. But I just wanted to try their cravings. This better be nasty, man. Nasty, bro. Donuts, donuts. Let's try it. What the? Wait. It gives corn dog with mustard. Wait. Okay, in the beginning, it's nasty. But it kind of gives corn dog with mustard. And then funnel cake. Fur food. Interesting. Strawberries and salt. Okay. Didn't pick the good batch of strawberries. Walmart. Strawberry. Salt. Try it. Okay. Oh my goodness. That's nasty. That ain't it. We haven't had that craving, baby. Next thing we're gonna try is marshmallow cream and Doritos. And these are my favorite Doritos, y'all, by the way. My favorite Doritos. All right, let's see. Oh, this is so yummy. I ain't never seen this type of melted marshmallows. I already know. Here we go. Here goes nothing. What's up? No. Oh, that's nasty. That's very much nasty. The next thing you're about to try I'm really scared. But watermelon and syrup. It is one with watermelon and syrup and watermelon and cinnamon. But I'm gonna try watermelon and let's try watermelon and syrup first to go ahead and get that one out the way. Here goes nothing. Why did I decide to do this? Okay. I don't like that. Ugh, I don't like that. Okay. Cinnamon and watermelon. Let's see. I guess that one. That one not too bad, but it's nasty. It's not too bad though. Ew. Oh, we got two more. Oh, two more. All right, save the last worst two. Well, we're gonna try three more, actually. Three more. Because I seen it there. I gotta try TikTok one that I seen. But, so I saved the last two nasty ones for last that I think that's gonna be like really, really nasty. But, so, this girl pregnancy craving was butter. And she had ragu sauce. Ragu, or however you say it, but I'm gonna do classical because I didn't get no ragu sauce, so however you say it. So we can try this. Okay. So, where's my spoon?
A few moments later.
Gracious. This gotta be so nasty. Okay. Alright. Okay. Butter. She uses stick butter, but I don't have stick butter. So, butter. Pour some under.
Right, this shit crazy.
I'm about scared, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. But let's try this. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna taste it. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey. No, that's not it. That is not it. That is nasty, bro. That is so freaking nasty. The next thing we're gonna try is Snickers and the marshmallow. Snickers. that's good. I
Right, this shit crazy.
comment if you want to see a part 2, and comment some snacks or even foods that you want to see me try, or like weird combos y'all want to see me try together. Make sure you comment down below. Right here, I'm gonna wrap it up because majority of these snacks wasn't it, but the donuts and the mustard, that was good. Donut and mustard was good. The Snicker and the marshmallow cream was good, but the other stuff, I don't know, man. I don't know. The worst one,
Right, this shit crazy.
was this daggone butter and ragu sauce, because that butter is just not it. You meant like. But like I said, comment a part 2 if y'all want to see more. Alright, so first I had to clean some of this mess up. Okay, y'all, I had to do some cleaning or whatever, and so this is one that I wanted to try. I'm actually gonna save that TikTok one, which is, yeah, see, the TikTok one that I wanted to try, I'm gonna do that one last. But this one is, well, fudge cookies, because somebody told me to try fudge round cakes and what was it? It was fudge round cakes and I can't remember. It was one of them, fudge round cakes and something. And yeah, but this is the last one that I want to try. I want to try fudge round cookies and marshmallows. This is my little combo that I put together that I want to try. So these are cookies. I got 2 because I'm gonna put it in the middle. Oh, I think this is gonna be good. Look at it. Ain't that so cute? Alright, let's try this. I already knew it was gonna be busting. Good. Found me a new snack combo. Cause this didn't be it. Last but not least, we finna try this TikTok hack. This TikTok snack. So basically you're supposed to put, this is the strawberry fruit roll up, by the way. They got these little tattoos on it. I remember we used to put these on our tongue and put like these little tattoos. You used to like put it out there. Alright. And then we're gonna fold it over. Ooh. Y'all, I can feel it getting hard already. That is so crazy. It cracked. Yo. I like this. Y'all hear that? Bless you. I like this. Oh, came out there. But that's all the snacks that I want to try. The pregnancy cravings, weird food combo, snack combo. That's it. But Comment some more videos that y'all want to see me do.
Right, this shit
If
crazy.
you want a part 2 of trying weird snacks or foods, comment below what I should try next. I got marshmallow in my hand. And thank y'all for watching. We out.